good morning, children. Welcome to our session again. Children, yesterday teacher told you to sit with your parents and discuss about your favorite festivals, right? Favorite happy time when you spent, how you celebrated everything. Did you all do that? Yes? If you have done, say thumbs up. Very good. So you all might have understood and enjoyed very much, right? Enjoyed nicely? Yes? Okay, children. Yesterday in our class, teacher told you there are two types of festivals. One is national festivals and the other is religious festivals. Isn't it, children? You remember that? Yes. Today we will talk more about national festivals. Okay, children? Yesterday teacher also told you the meaning of the word nation. You remember, children? Nation is the country where we are born. What is our country name? Can anybody tell me? Yes, it's India. We are all born in India and we are called as Indians. Okay, children? So, all the Indians celebrate the national festivals. Okay, if someone is born in Delhi, someone is born in Chennai, wherever it is, all the Indians celebrate the national festivals. Understood, children? Today we learn about our first national festival, Independence Day. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of independence? Do you know that? No, teacher will tell you now. Suppose if you are in a classroom and the class is going on, suddenly someone comes and calls your teacher to come out of the class and they have some work with your teacher. What will your teacher do? Teacher will call somebody and ask them to control the class, to monitor the class. Yes? Yes or no? This will happen, right? When somebody is standing there, you all feel that why can't I be the monitor? Why can't I control the class? I am also able to control the class and I can control myself also. Isn't it, children? We all feel like that, right? That is called independent. Being independent. Okay? We should not allow others to control us. We should be able to control ourselves. Yes, children? That is called independence. You know what happened? Some time back, the Britishers came to our country. Okay, they were trying to control us. They were troubling us. They were harming us. So what happened? A few brave people whom we call as freedom fighters, they all fought for our freedom. Freedom means we should not be in others' control. Okay, we should come out of that. They felt that and they fought for that. You understood, children? Those people we call as freedom fighters. Those people stood against the Britishers and fought with them, and finally they sacrificed their lives, and after that we could achieve our independence. Okay, children? So we finally got the independence from Britishers on 15th August 1947. Okay? When did we get the independence? On 15th August 1947. So children, every year on the day we celebrate as Independence Day. What is the date? Can you tell me when are we celebrating Independence Day? Yes, 15th of August. Okay, children? You remember that. Okay? Now we will talk about second national festival, Republic Day. What is it? Republic Day. Do you know the meaning of this word, children? Republic? No, it's new to us, right? Shall I tell you? Republic. Re means regarding. Public is nothing but people, we, you, your family, everybody, whoever is residing in our country, whoever is living in our country, for them one constitution was made. What is this constitution, you know, children? That is nothing but a rules book. We have a rules book for our school. Yes, what do we call that? Diary. There is diary for our school, right? Wherein all your timetable, your holiday list, how you have to come dressed up in the school discipline, and if you are not in discipline, what will happen? Everything will be there, like that is a rules book for our school. Like that, a rules book for all the Indians was also made. That book is called as Constitution. what happened on Republic Day, that book was given to the Indians to follow from that day. That is why we call it as Republic Day. Do you know when it was given? It was given on 26th January in the year of 1950. So every year on 26th January, we are celebrating the Republic Day. Okay, when are we celebrating our Republic Day? Very good, 26th of January. And the third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Did anybody hear about this Gandhi Jayanti? Yes? Do you know who is Gandhi? Can anybody tell me? Yes, very good. Many of you are raising your hands. What do you know about Gandhi, Kashvi? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. You know why we call him father of our nation? When our Indians all were fighting for our freedom, he led the freedom struggle. He was guiding all the Indians how to fight for the freedom, how to achieve the independence. Okay, that is why we call him the father of our nation. Okay, children, is that clear now? Now shall we go to our pictures and see again whatever we have learned so that we remember it. Shall we go, children? Come on, come with me. See this, children. What is this? National festivals. We are talking about national festivals, right? Can you see something in their hand? What is this? Can anybody tell me? Nidhi, can you tell me? Yes, national flag. All these people are holding our national flag and they are happy or sad? Happy. They are all smiling, right? That means they are all celebrating. Okay, they are holding our national flags and they are celebrating the national festival. Shall we move on? Yes, see this, children. As teacher told you, people born in India are called Indians. Our national festivals are celebrated by all the Indians. Okay, children, what will we do on any national festival? We hoist the flag and salute our national flag. Isn't it, children? And we feel, I am a proud Indian. Isn't it? Yes, so all the Indians will celebrate the national festivals. Shall we go to the next slide? Yes, as teacher was telling you about Independence Day, teacher was telling you, right? Britishers were troubling us, they were harming us, they were trying to control us in our country. See, can you see this person? Yes, he is putting his hand on a globe and he was telling that I have to control everybody. And you know what happened then? Few freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, all these people, they stood against the Britishers. See how they are standing here? Even when the Britishers were aiming the guns at them and threatening them, they were very brave and they were standing against the Britishers and helping us to achieve the independence. Okay, children, did you see this? Yes. So every year on 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. How do we celebrate Independence Day? We hoist our national flag and we salute the flag. We sing national anthem, isn't it? That day we should remember all the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Understood, children? Shall we move? Yes, the second national festival was Republic Day. Yes, what is it? Republic Day. Teacher told you about a rules book, right? This is the rules book. Constitution of India. Can you see this picture, children? Yes. So on that day, a colorful parade, this is the parade, is held in Delhi at Rajpath. Okay. And the President of India takes the salute. Okay. All these people salute the President of India. Understood, children? Shall we move on? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Many of you told father of our nation, right? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Why do we call that? He fought against the Britishers and achieved the independence. Can you see this picture, ma? How he was talking to so many people and motivating them that you can do it, you will do it and all. Understood, children? So Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Jayanti, this word means birthday, okay? As he is father of our nation, we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Understood, children, about the 3 national festivals? Shall we move on? Yes. Do you know, children? The first Prime Minister of India is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who's the first Prime Minister? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the meaning of word Prime Minister? Do you know, children? Shall I tell you? In our family, in a joint family, there will be grandparents, parents, everybody, right? But your grandparents will be there at home, but all the works will be done by your father. Who is the head of the family? If we ask, you will tell father. But you know, children, your father will be taking all the decisions, discussing with your grandparents. So your father is the head of the family. We call like Prime Minister is like father. Okay. Next, see this. The President of India takes the salute on Republic Day. Teacher told you, right? President means like our grandfather, who will already be there in your family, and when your father needs to take any decisions, they will talk to them. I said, right? So the president is like the grandfather. He will be there in the family, but we will mostly see the father only, isn't it? Yes. So you know, our national anthem was composed by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Do you know what is our national anthem? Every day you sing in the assembly, right? Can anybody sing? Yes? Yes, very good. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It was composed by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Children, it is very important for us to remember all these facts. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. Now, children, we'll go back to our board again. Yes, children, we have seen about national festivals, right? Why should we celebrate national festivals? You know that, children, because national festivals bring unity amongst us. What is unity? You all know the cricket team, right? If only one player plays well, will the team win? No, everybody should play well. Yes? So what is that? That is called unity. Everybody should feel the responsibility. Okay, when the national festivals are celebrated by all the Indians, they gather at a place and they celebrate a cause, and that builds unity amongst the Indians. That is why we should celebrate national festivals. Understood, children? Today, as a homework, you will go learn about 3 freedom fighters. Okay, children? Any 3 freedom fighters you will learn and talk to me about that in the next session. Okay, children? Bye.